I really want to focus on that. I think that's what life is about, relationships, and how to be a kind person, do your best, show up on time, think the best out of people. Basically talk a lot about that we all have the same needs, even though we come from different backgrounds.
Students of Divine Savior Academy, and also welcome Sweden to our class. It's a pleasure to have all of you guys here today to be joining interactively from Miami, Florida. And thank you guys for being willing to stay late in Sweden to be able to collaborate across the Atlantic Ocean.
I think my students have gotten a wider view of the world. They have been able to see that the world just doesn't end in the community where they are, that there are a lot of other people in different places that are going to school just like them, but living completely different lives and just seeing things from a very different perspective.
I think it helps with learning other cultures and not be so judgmental. It doesn't take traveling just to know other cultures. It's been like a fun experience, and I want the connection to last.